This Genius Digital Marketing Crash Course is also all about social media advertising secrets. Specifically, the 4 most important secrets that we have found here at Giant Partners after running social media advertising campaigns for lead generation for hundreds and hundreds of customers. All right, the number 1 most important secret is targeting custom audiences. If you haven't watched the episode that's all about custom audiences, make sure you do it. It's episode 103. All right, what is a custom audience? A custom audience is a list that Facebook, specifically the Facebook Ad Manager, allows you to upload into their platform. What this means is you're going to be able to target prospects based on all those variables that used to be inside of the Facebook Ad Manager and no longer are thanks to GDPR that happened quite a few months ago. So in other words, if you wanted to target me for your product, whether that be B2B or B2C, you can now effectively do that by uploading a list in which it matches my email, my birth date, my first name, my phone number, something like that, to my income, my health, my education, my political views, my credit score, my home value, how many children I have, etc., etc., etc. Make sure you figure out how to use a custom audience within your Facebook Ad Manager account. This is something that we very much specialize here in Giant Partners, and we'd love to help you do. When you use a custom audience, typically what happens is you decrease your cost per lead in half. So if you're getting a $20 lead, now you're getting a $10 lead, and you can guarantee quality because you're ultimately suppressing everyone from your advertisements that's not already on your list that you've pre-qualified that you'd love to talk to as a lead. All right, second biggest secret. Target interest groups. All right, so this isn't rocket science. This is how the Facebook Ad Manager works. But we think it's important for you to know that you can target your prospects based on what they've liked, who they followed, and specifically if they're in any groups. So for example, if you're trying to sell a new incredible tire for Jeep Wranglers, well, there most likely is a Jeep Wrangler page with hundreds of thousands of followers, and you can target them directly. Genius. Really, really simple. This is the core functionality of the Facebook Ad Manager, that you can target people based on something that, again, that they've liked, that they've followed, or a group that they're in, and figuring out that very much precise mix along with custom audiences is absolutely the secret sauce of social media advertising. All right. Number 3 secret is a little bit more pragmatic, but it will save you tons of time and will save you tons of money. All right. And hopefully make you tons of money too. ABC test every call to action. What I mean by that is if you have a killer offer, if you have 3 killer offers, go out and promote a simple version of that offer over the course of a few days or a week in 3 different formats. So for example, you might be promoting an ebook, an infographic, and a webinar. We'll go out, create a very similar ad for each one with a different call to action. Go out and promote it. What you'll find is that one of those ads is going to way outperform the others. And I recommend ABC doing the maximum of 3. And for example, let's say that the infographic advertisement is just trumping the others by far. Here's what you want to do. You want to shift your advertising to only be promoting that infographic ad, and then you want to create very much compelling videos, special offers, time-sensitive language around that piece of content that won the ABC test. All right. 4th secret, hopefully you know about, but if you don't, I want to reinforce it. Use Facebook lead forms. This is a big deal. Facebook lead forms tend to create about 4 times as many leads as if you were to drive somebody from an ad directly to a landing page. The reason why this is when people click that learn more or get started or whatever your call to action button is, it actually populates a form right within Facebook in which their first name, last name, email address, phone number automatically populate. And so all they have to do is hit the button. A couple things to realize about Facebook form submissions is that it's almost always their mobile number. So automated text message communication back to that person really, really helps a lot. We'll have a whole nother episode about automated follow-up, so stay tuned for that. The way that Facebook forms work technically is somebody's going to fill that form out, and then you're going to use a service like Zapier that's actually going to zap that form submission, the data in those fields, directly into your marketing automation software or your CRM that your sales team will use to follow up with that lead. All right. To conclude, I want to share with you this fact that we have basically averaged over the course of the last couple of years that Facebook and Instagram leads, those are people that click a link or fill out a form. Those are about 1/4 the cost of a Google lead. And so again, just imagine I'm on a list, you're on a list, our colleagues are on lists. We're targeting people across multiple channels. Your Google ad is there, your social media ad is there. To get the same person right here, to get the same person, it only costs you $1 instead of $4. It's a big deal. So take it into consideration. Thank you for your time. Hopefully this crash course has been helpful. Please reach out to us if you have more questions. We'd love to put together a custom lead generation plan for your company. Have a great day.